Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive and comes with a 1-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, pedestrian alert system, cargo area light, compass,